Hello guys, welcome to i-tutor Academy. In today's session, we will start with Unit 14, MMBC 004, that is Comparative, Common Size and Trend Statement. So let's see the objectives of this unit. The unit aims to acquaint you with the ways to analyze changes in financial performance, helping you to prepare analysis statement and reports from financial statement, and acquaint you with the technique of interframe analysis, explain the DuPont analysis technique. These are the objectives of this chapter. And structure of this unit is there is an introduction part first, and comparative statement analysis, common size analysis, trend analysis, interframe analysis, DuPont analysis, using financial ratios to predict bankruptcy, application of financial ratios, summary is there, test your understanding, that means the questions from this unit is there, and additional reading materials also. So let's begin with the introduction part. And the previous chapter we learned about the various financial ratios: probability, profitability, leverage, activity efficiency and investment ratios, how to calculate them and interpretation of these ratios. Estimating these ratios for 1 year provides some insight into the functioning of a firm. We are in a slight better position in understanding the complexities of a business enterprises, and calculating these ratios is the first step in this exercise. Such financial ratios have a limited usage as conclusive comments cannot be made. Further analysis is therefore required to be made in order to reach to some definitive conclusions. In order to understand the financial statements of a firm and hence comment on the financial performance, we need to compare the ratios over time and compare them with other similar companies. There are various tools and techniques to achieve this, which are discussed in this chapter. And comparative statement analysis, a common approach to study the changes in the financial performance of a firm is to simply compare the financial statements for at least 2 years and calculate the changes between the 2 years. Such an analysis is called comparative statement analysis. In this analysis, financial statement of at least 2 years need to be considered. For example is here, you just go through it, and comparative analysis table also here. You just go through this table, it will more understanding for your studies. Okay, and common size analysis, another way to analyze the financial statement is by preparing a common size statement. In this each item of the balance sheet is expressed as a percentage of total asset or total liabilities as shown in table 14.2. And examples also here. Common size, the statement are called common size statement analysis. Table is here, you just go through it, balance sheet is here, and it will more understanding this. And trend analysis, another important technique of analyzing financial statement is to examine them over a period of time, say over 5 years, and study the trend over the years, especially in item of income statement like a sales, profit, or items of balance sheet like a net worth, debt, etc. In order to undertake such a trend analysis, the financial statement of 5 year are laid out. The hypothetical firm ABC Limited are given in chapter 13. We already discussed chapter 13, right? And the trend analysis of key financial indicators given here 14.3, trend analysis of ABC Limited, you just go through it. And the interframe analysis, the beside investigating the financial statement of the company in question analyst also compared the financial performance of the firm with its close competitors or the industry average. Such an analysis is referred to as interfirm analysis or cross sectional analysis, which enables the analyst to compare the firm's performance with its competitors or industry average. The financial ratio are compared with the firm that are similar in terms of sales, asset size, market share, etc., in order to examine the financial performance. So example is here, financial indicators of fertilizers firm in India for the year 2020. Oh, here is an example table, you just go through it, it will more helpful for your understanding. And also here is one more table is here, financial ratio of fertilizers firm in India for the year 2020. And this is about today's session. And next section of this subsection of this chapter we will go through next video. In between any doubts, you just contact us. And for more Ignou MBA videos, you just do like, share, and subscribe our channel and support us. Thank you so much.
i-tutor ES presents Ignou MBA, complete syllabus coverage classes and individual semester base, subject coverage program for MBA students online and flexible sessions. For more details, contact 62382 17885.